Okay, now let's begin. Today we are going to check, we are going to create this design in our 3ds Max, and we are going to model each and every part, and we are going to check how we are going to create it. Okay, now it is very easy. We are going to divide this section into three parts. First of all, what we are going to do, let me show you here. So this part is going to divide it into three section. One is modeling, next is texture, and third is lighting, and then rendering. So these are the criteria where we are going to work on it: modeling, texturing, lighting, and with the help of these things we are going to get this type of renders very easy in 3ds Max. So first of all, we are going to divide this one. As I told you, first we are going to do what? We are going to do models, right? So let's begin. In the modeling section, what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to make it block. Okay, as I told you, I already saw so many people are doing what they are doing, just start making the things. No, previous class I already told you how to do the blockings, remember? Yes, first of all we are with the boxing, with the box, square, cylinder, we done the boxing thing. Okay, so we already discussed about this thing when we already learned about the exterior. You remember that one? We done the boxing, control X, alt X for the transparency, right? So we are going to discuss that thing first. First of all, we are going to make the blocks so that we can understand how the flow will go, right? How much it will big, how much it will small. So either first thing we are going to set in the unit, then we are going to make it block. Okay, so today's chapter we are going to work on only the models. Okay, now I will try to complete this model into 2 to 3 classes, and you can follow along with me if you want, right? Now let's begin. uh, this is my software, right? This is my software. We already discussed about 4 grids, right? And first of all, we need to change our units. So how I'm going to change our units? So just go to the customize, as I told you. Just go to the unit setup, and inside this unit setup you will see we are having US standard. Under this section you can see it is written fit and the inches. So I am going to use fit and the inches because I am using off for a long time, that's why I'm using it. If you want to change according to your use, like millicentimeter, whatever suits you, you can go with that one as well. Okay, now I am going to use this one as a fit and the inches, and one by one I'm going to take it. For now, where it gone my image, I need to check the size of this image. What are the size of this image? Height and the width, we are going to check it. So just go to the properties section, and from there you can find it. What is the details of this one? So that is, width is 700 and height is 525, right? So this thing we already discussed, but again I'm showing you one more time. So from the front panel, I will take a plane from here to here. Okay, and length and width, the segments I don't want to make it anything, so I will make it one by one, right? Now press W, make it up from here. Press F3 on your keyboard so that you will see this is the plane. So I will make it back. Don't make it on the top of this one, otherwise that thing will not happen correctly. Okay, now once we are having this, we need to set the dimension of this image, right? So I will click over here, and we need to change width and the height. What was the dimension of that? So dimension is, width is 525, 525, 97. How much? Oh, 700. 525 and 700. Okay, so that is the size. So I will make it from here, and the from top I will set it little bit back. So that's how you can find it. Now once you are having this one, this object, what I will do, I will press M on my keyboard, M as in material, right? Now I will drag and drop my image where it is located. It is here, so I will just drag and drop my images over here, and I will keep it here. So basically this is, I let me cheat it little bit. I will make it somewhere like this. Okay, now if you will see, we are having this type of object. Okay, Now what I will do, either you can watch this one and create it, first thing. Second thing, you can do the boxing. You have both the options, which suits you better, you can go with that. Okay, so what I will do, first of all, I will plan my setup. So what I will do over here, see, here is my grid, right? And my image is all down over here from here. So what I will do, I will press W, make sure to make it up, then only the output will come. So I will make it up over here. Okay, now all W, I will just create one box for the reference for now, so that I can see where is my grid located. This is my box. Why I created this box? Because I want to add the camera. Okay, how I am going to add my camera? So just go over here, because we are using V-Ray. So first of all, we need to set this one as a V-Ray. So just go to the render, go to the render setup. Inside this, you will see it is Arnold. Change it to the V-Ray 6. Right now, don't change anything. Finish. Now we are going to use V-Ray camera. So this is V-Ray light, and here you can find V-Ray light, V-Ray camera. So in that case, I am going to take it as V-Ray camera. You can take it as a physical or whatever the things. So physical camera, from here I am going to take it. Okay, so from the beginning I am going to make the setup of my camera, so that in the coming classes we don't face any type of problem, right? So if you will see, it is little bit up from the ground, right? So I will press C on my keyboard and I will try to set my camera somewhere like this. Alt W, I am going to set my camera like this plus this, and I will try to set it like this. Okay, now from here, panning thing is fine. Now I need to make it back little bit. Yeah, yeah, please ask. X and Y axis, yes, you can do that. You can do that, but from there you will get the confusion. That's why we are using the manual. We are exactly, you can do that, no problem at all. You can even use XYZ axis as well, but the problem is sometimes you will feel uncomfortable for doing that. So that's why I'm not recommend that. So better to go with your perspective manually. Huh, tell me. Yes, exactly. During your blockouts, you can create it. During your animations, camera animations, you can create it. So in that section, you can create lots of things. Camera animations, camera settings, lots of things you can do. Once you have the basic knowledge of the camera, you can play around with any softwares. Okay, got it? Okay. So now we can manage it little bit, and I am going to fix it little bit more far, and I'm going to fix it like this. Now from the front view, okay, now it's look like this. I will select this one. Okay, so this is my front view. That is just for an example, right? Like how you are going to create it. Now once you already fix it, this section is already set. If I Now what you need to do, don't play around with this camera, just lock it, just leave it like this, don't come over here. Okay, leave it like this. Now whatever the things, tell me how to press C on your keyboard. You will go inside your camera. Key C as in cat. Okay, so whenever you are getting the camera, it will go inside your camera. Now you can use your camera very easily. Okay, now I am going to use it from the front view. Yeah, please ask. Hmm. No, once you are going to press C, the camera is going to be on. You are going to inside the camera, so from the camera perspective you need to set all the things. Yes, exactly. First you need to set the camera according to the image, then you need to press C, so that you can see where your camera is looking. Okay, accordingly you can manage. No, no, see, cameras are very simple, right? One, see, camera is your eye. Okay, how, which direction you are looking at? Okay, it's straight. So right now we are having the straight figure, we are having the straight figure. So what we are going to do, we are fixing in front of that subject, right? Once my camera is fixed, I will press C. Finish. Maybe possible, once I will press C, what will happen, either it will go up and down. So with the help of middle mouse button, we can pan around and we can set our camera. Finish.
Wait, sir, if we press C, it means that we can actually move the line,
Which line?
the line of the camera?
There is no line. This line you are talking
Yes.
about, that is the reference line. Okay, that means camera is looking in this direction. Okay,
So
so
what is the C that you're doing?
C means camera. Let's say if I will press P on my keyboard, I am out of the camera. Okay,
P out.
P,
P.
perspective.
Perspective.
Yes, if you will press P on your keyboard, you are out from the camera. If you are press C, C as in cat, you will go inside the camera.
Okay.
Right now, if you will notice, right now I am inside the camera, and from here with the help of middle mouse button, I can set it from only the front. Either I can go up and down, left or right. You don't have the movement of the camera, right? But if we want to control the movement of the camera, left, right, top, bottom, so we need to figure it out from this views panel. So if I will go a little bit left, right, so I will manage it from here like this. Okay, so that's how you can set your camera very easily. And don't follow this one, this is just for a reference. Okay, now once you set your camera here, I will set little bit more like this. Okay, now check your views as well, left and top views, make it like this, and from here just try to set it like this. Okay.
Sir, how
Hmm.
far do we have to put the picture?
How?
How far do we have to put the picture? The plane.
Whenever, yeah, whenever you are placing your image, it should be very far. Otherwise what will happen, if you are going to create anything like box, square, anything, it will be on the top of that image. So that's why we always try to make image as far as possible. Okay, so that the object will not come between your image and the objects. Okay, so let's say if I'm going to create, let me show you the example so that you can understand easily. So let's say if I'm going to create one box from the front view. Okay, now you will see what is happening over here. It is getting overlapped. If I will just go in the perspective, see, if I will make it little bit more, make it forward and the backward, what will happen? The box will go inside the image, which we don't want, right? So what we actually want, we want to make it back image so that we can create our work very easily. Okay, again I will press C on my keyboard, right? Now I will select this image. Let me delete this one for now. I will select this image from the top view. I will select and make it back as far as possible. Okay, so once you place your image, because in the front it is fine totally, right? So as far as the image is there, after, once you done it, don't play around with the images. Only first time you need to fix it. Otherwise what will happen, again it will become overlapped if you will make it forward or the backward. Okay, so only one time you need to fix it. Okay, so in the camera section it's look very far, but in the front view we are having the image so that we can create our thing very easily, right?
So, sir, this one is very far,
Hmm.
but our object, it will never touch the picture.
Yes, never touch the picture. Okay, that's why I set it very back. Okay, but if I'm going to create it from here, from, let's say I want to create it something like this. Now if I will just go over here, now you will see my object is here and the object is very far. Now it is not getting interacted with each other.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why I put my image very far, but on the front view it is front, it is
So
just
we
a
can
near.
see it clearly.
Yes, we can see it clearly what is going on.
So we always draw anything at the top of the front.
Yes, exactly. Always, whenever you are doing some type of boxing thing or the interior designs, try to make it front sections. Okay, so that is not important, but this is the way you can achieve the things. Okay, now once you are having this one, I will just go inside. First of all, I am going to hide this camera so that the camera will not come in between. Okay. Whenever I'm going to create something, so what I will do, I will select this one, right click over here, and inside this you can see it is written hide selection. Okay. So just select this one and hide selection.
Hide.
Hide. Your camera placement is there, but it is in the hidden mode.
How to unhide it?
Right click unhide, you will find unhide all, the camera will come back.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now I will select this one, hide this, hide selection. Okay, now once you are having this one, this part, what I am going to do, I will select this alt w, it will become big. I will delete this one. Okay, so first of all, let's create with this box. Okay, now see, I am not able to see what is happening,
I
right?
have a question.
Yeah, please ask.
Regarding the height thing. Uh,
Regarding to
the height.
height. Okay.
Yeah. Is it possible to do it from the layer?
Yeah, yes, definitely you can do this.
Can you show us?
Yes, definitely. Let's say I have this object. For this condition, let's consider this is your camera. Okay, and you want to hide with the help of layers. You can easily do that. Just activate your layers panel. Okay, now this is your layer panel. I can hide it from here. This one, this is my box. I can hide it. Same goes with the camera. See, this is my camera. See, this is my camera. I can hide it from here. Same process, either you can control it with the layers or you can control with your hiding things. So both the options are there. Okay, but personally I will suggest you to go with the layers. Renamings are very important. Everything's like whatever the hierarchy is there, you need to follow that hierarchy. Okay, now once you are having this one, right now I'm not following the layers, but whenever you are going to create the things, followed, just follow the layers. Okay, now right now I am not able to see through it what is going on, right? So yes, I told you what you need to press alt and x on your keyboard, it will become transparent and you can see through it how the things are going on. Okay, so this is my first one. Okay, so first of all I just try to add small things. So for this one I'm going to create one plane like this, not this one, front one I'm going to create it. Okay, again I will press alt x. Now press w and I will add it here. Now again I will select this one, alt x. Now this is my boxing done. Okay, the basic boxing we already done it. Now we know how the output will come. Okay, now once you already done with the boxing, like here you are going to add the mirror, see you are going to add this one, you are going to add that one, accordingly you need to build up the scene, right? Once you're done with the boxing, okay, we are going to start with the models.
Sir, what is the purpose of the boxing?
Boxing will give you the idea how the output will come.
It's just giving you the idea of the output.
Yes,
Not
exactly.
giving you the exact measurements or the things.
Nothing like that. Okay, it is not a tracing things, we need to create it. It will give you only the idea how the things will come after once you start doing the models. Maybe possible you are not going to add something over here. Okay, or your client is saying no, I don't want to add this box over here, so you can replace this one with another box or another elements, right? Very possible your client is saying I want to add this one as a pot over here, so the same time you can replace with that thing with the boxing. Now you have the idea, okay, on this place what we are having, we are having this part and this part we need to change it, so it will not impact the modeling part, right? So it is very handy whenever you are having the box, so you can do the model part later on.
I feel like I'm so confused because of that It feels like everything is overlapping.
If you are having confusion, so don't do that. It's, see, I am telling you the skills. Okay, if you are feeling that this is having the confusions to you, don't make it, just try to make it as usual. See, we are having both the ways to create it, either we can create when we are looking it, or either we can make the boxing things. We are having two things side by side. So first thing, those who are comfortable of doing the boxing thing, they can go with that one, create all things on the layers and then after hide it and convert it with the original objects. That is the first thing. Second thing, you can control with the object if you are going to create it. The second step I'm going to show you. Okay, now let's say you are not comfortable of doing the box thing, so delete this one. Okay, now what you can do, we are having this reference image, so what are the things we are watching it here, we can make it that one. Okay, let's say in my case I can watch this part, this box. Okay, so first of all I will try to make this one. How? So press alt x, I can see how the things are looking. I will press alt w over here. Okay, now I will isolate everything. Now I will just go to my perspective. Just press P on your keyboard. You will go inside your perspective. Okay. Now see, whenever see it is going here and there, you are not able to control over the mouse, right? So what you can do, select this object, press Z on your keyboard. Now it will come from the center. Okay. Before that it was not from the center, and sometimes this happen. Okay, so whenever you are having this problem, try to select and press Z, so it will come from the center. And whenever you are having this type of object, always go with F3 or F4, wireframe or the solid one. Okay, so that is very important, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, now so in this figure I am going to take the reference of this box, right? You will get the placement, how the things are going on. That's why we are using the boxing things. Okay, so let's create this one. What we have, we are having this box, so we are having so many options to create this one. We are working on this one, right? So very easy, you can create it. Just create one box. Why it is here, make it one box like this. Okay, now press R, make it inside little bit. So you are having lots of options, as I told you, right? So you can decide with how, see, it's totally depend upon your creativity, which type of creativity and what flow you want to follow. It's totally depend on you. So I will select this one, convert to editable poly. I will select this face. Okay, and I will select this one. See how the things are going on. First I will do it insert. Okay, now I will make it somewhere like this. Now select this face, shift, make it inside. Okay, how much you want, you can assign it like this. Now we are having this box. Okay, so how we are going to create this box, you are having two ways to create this. First of all, either you can go with the this extended parameters. Inside this you are having this chamfer box. Select this chamfer box, and from here you can create it somewhere like this. Okay, this is the first option. Second option, how you are going to create, you can create your standard parameters. Select your box, right? Convert to your poly, and select the edges, right? Select this one, this one, this one, this one, and chamfer it. So I can make it as a chamfer, give the distance between them how much you want, and make the turn from here. So you have both the ways how you want to show. It's totally up to
See
you.
the like the way how you transfer it here and there, it's totally different.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. So according to the image, you can take it. Let's say if you want more detailed model, you can go with this one. If you want to make not too much detail, right now I'm not making it too much detail, so I will just use this one. Okay, but once I will start making more detail, so I will make it this one. Okay, so it's totally depend. So once I have this one, I will make it like this. From the front view, I will set it over here. Now just go to the top view, and I will set it here somewhere. Now in the left view I will check it how the things are going on. So it is here, so I will make it here. Just go to the perspective once again. Now make it outside little bit here. Okay, now hide this element. Okay, now just go to the front view and try to make it in the center. So I will make it from here, and I will select this one. Even you are having the align options as well, that is just like your Illustrator alignment, center align and left align, right align, you can do it, right? Which I am not going to do right now. I will select this one, press W, make it up from here. Now if you want to make this box little bit more wide, so I will select this one and make it wide like this. Okay, so according to the image you can decide how much wide you want. Yeah, it's very easy. So once you are having this, so this one you already done it. Select all the boxes like this. Okay, this one plus this one, press W, make it forward, go to the color sections and make it dark in the gray section. So you are having something like this. Okay, now on the top of this one we are having this box, right? So if you will see, we are having two levels. Again, you can create with the one face or the another face, it's totally up to you. So I will select this one, this box, just go to the top view, press G on your keyboard. I will make it take the reference. Okay, so snipping tool, as I told you, so I'm going to take it from the vertex. Okay, now I will select this one. This is my vertex, right? Now what I will do, I need to create one plane over it. So box will be fine. Snipping tool, I will add it here to here. Huh? Height, yeah. From top you can see only that one plane. Now you need to give the height. Okay. So height, just add anything for now. Just X value, I just add it from here. Now I will just press Alt W. Now in the perspective view, I can see the height is very too much. Okay. So how I am going to control it? Press R, make it like this. And from here you can control your heights like this. Hmm.
the first table itself?
First,
From the first table itself, is there a way to do it?
so no, see, if you are going to decide the height and the width, only one section we are watching from the views, right? So anyway you need to give the depth x values, anything. Now you need to come in the perspective view, from there you need to control it. That is the only way. Okay, so now you can set it here. Now again we are having this one. Okay, so for that what I am going to do, I will select this one and I will add here. Now I will convert it to the poly. Select this one, select this one and this one. I will chamfer it, right? Yes, I am little fast now, that's why. So from here I am making it chamfer. Okay, so I have this one. Now again I need to create this one, this top one. I have two options, either I will select this face, okay, and I will make it outside, and again I can make it, right? Or I will just go to my top view, and again from here I will make a box from this end to this end. That will be little bit more big, like this. Oh, like this. This one is more big. No, no, little bit more big. No, I can make it like this. Go to the perspective, press W, make it up. It is not coming. What happened?
You did the second one.
Anyway, I will make it this one as a copy. Okay. If you want to save your time, just make the copy. Go to the top view, press R, make it down little bit. If you don't want to make the too much struggle, press R, adjust it little bit. Okay. Now from here, try to adjust it little bit, or you can use your vertex point. Okay, so just go to the top view, select this one, press W, make it here. See, I am trying to make it little bit here. Okay, I will select this one and I will just make it zoom, and I will try to fix it somewhere like here, and from top it's fine. I will select this one. I will add it somewhere here, and from this part I can make it somewhere here. Now go to your perspective. We are having something like this. So very easily you can create this table. Then by the next class we will move forward and try to create another part of this walls, this cupboard we are going to create by the next class. Okay, and this part we are going to create, this part we are going to create, towels and washrooms we are going to create. Okay, hope so you got the point how the things are going on. I will put the videos. If you are having any problem, you can check the videos. Okay, and also I am going to try to translate that video in Arabic. Okay, so that you can understand easily. Okay, so that's it. You can try, and if you are having any problem you can ask me. Okay.